Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Woerner, concept designer with Fun Stamper's Journey, and I'm here with a product spotlight video on how to assemble our treat box die. So here's what our die looks like. And if you run your finger over our die, you can feel that the cut line has a higher profile and it is all the way around the edges, and these inner lines are scored lines. And once you cut it out, you can see that wherever there is a scored line, that is where you're going to want to make a fold. So just start folding away, and I like to use our crease tool to get a nice, crisp, clean fold, which I think is important for boxes because you want to have all of your sides at a 90-degree angle. Now when you're folding these smaller, this is an adhesive panel, because the score line is so close to this edge, sometimes it wants to fold a little wonky. So what I do is I put my finger behind it and I do an initial pinch, and then that helps guide that fold right along where that crease is. And just a couple more here. Okay. And the sides. Almost forgot these. There are quite a few to fold on this box. Last one. Okay, so when you're getting ready to assemble it, you only have one adhesive tab. So I like to use our craft glue. It really gets a nice, strong adhesion. So you can fill this up with pretty much anything you want, and it is not going to pop open. All right, so we've got that. And now to assemble it, it's just a matter of folding in the sides and putting down your tabs. Just like that. So I have a couple examples of this treat box. So here we have a box here, and this was stamped with a background stamp and then just decorated with a couple of our flower dies. This one's kind of fun. This one actually has the heart die cut into the front panel, and then you're going to want to back it with our clear view sheets, and then you're going to want to assemble it. So I did the die cutting before I glued that side panel, and then just decorated it. And this is perfect for little Valentine's treats. And here's another fun example. What she did is she used some of our washi tape, and she did it over gray cardstock and then cut it out with the treat box die. So lots of fun examples. This is probably one of our most versatile and popular box dies that we have. So I hope you found this video helpful and I've inspired you to use your treat box die. Now it's your turn to bring paper to life.